Welcome back to Law Call. Ted Howell with Rick Shea here to talk about all things immigration. During the break, we actually had an email question come in. If we could put that up on the screen, please. If you were convicted of a crime 7 years ago and you satisfied the probationary and paid the probation, I think, and paid the fine, can you still renew an expired green card without hassle from immigration? And that's Mickey. So Mickey, it sounds like Rick has done something of a criminal nature, but he's paid his price. Is that going to give him a hiccup now through that immigration process?
You know, I hate to give the lawyer answer of it depends.
Right.
But, you know, in this case, it very well could depend. So.
And what are those factors that makes it relevant, Rick?
What kind of crime it was.
Okay.
So generally.
That makes sense.
So generally, right, you're seeking the benefit. You need to be forthcoming about all your criminal past. So the thing I advise my clients is never try to hide something, right? Because that will make it look like you are trying to deceive the U.S. government, the federal government. If you do that, your chances of getting approval with anything are slim to none. So they call it a good moral character. So they're going to GMC, right? They're going to be looking at your GMC technically within the past 5 years. Now, you said this was 7 years ago, so okay, we're out of the limit, but it doesn't mean you can't be forthcoming about it. You will still have to show a certified court disposition. We need to know what the judge, what his final decision was or her final decision was on your case. Yeah, was it a misdemeanor? Was it a felony? If it is a CIMT, which is another acronym meaning crime involving moral turpitude. So if it's a crime involving moral turpitude, then the federal government may have an axe to grind with you.
And I assume that they would throw greater weight on a crime that was committed here in the States versus one you committed back in your foreign country.
Most especially.
Yes.
Yes, most especially.
Well, I hope that works out for you, Mickey, and we can get that fixed. I hope you can get that rectified.
Yeah.